Today on Lost Hour, we're gonna get this bus ready to go out west snowmobiling. Step number one, we gotta replace these wipers because they broke off. Step number two, I bought tire chains, so I gotta try them out. Number three is we gotta hook up wires to pull a trailer. Stay tuned, here we go.
Hey, we're professionals. Don't try this at home. You might get hurt. Still functional.
Alright, is this gonna work? A smart person would put some like anti-seize or something on here. Hope so. That did not line up at all. That might work.
My truck slips.
Try it again. All right, now on to the next one. This is what we had to do to fix it. Just a bunch of zip ties and what a mess. All right, putting chains on a bus. So step one, you have to order the chains. On your sidewall, it's gonna say like the size of your tire. This is an 11R 22.5. 22.5 is the rim diameter, and 11 is the tire width. So I bought chains that match that, and I bought them for a dually, because that's what this is. So I'm gonna time how long it takes me to put these chains on for the very first time. I've never done this. So here we go. Starting the timer. Go. So this is a cammed chain, which means it's got these cams on here that are gonna tighten up the chain once I put it on. These have to be on the outside. And it's gonna be facing the right way. This is a V-bar style. It's got these V's welded to each link. Alright, so I just kind of hooked it up loosely. It's hooked on the back, hooked on the front, and I'm going to back up and hopefully I'll have access to the hooks then. Alright, now my hook is on the top, so I can't really get at it, so I'm going to drive forward again and try that. This thing, I think, cams over, hooks up to this chain down here. But I don't want all this chain flopping around. Maybe I'll just do this. That seems good. Alright. So I got this middle one hooked up. And it's hooked right here. And I got the extra chain looped on the hook. Same with this one. Extra chain is looped over the hook. Last step is to tighten up these cams here. And that is how you put chains on a bus tire in, how long did it take? Let's find out. Well, I guess 15 minutes it probably took. 24 minutes. Not bad, let's do the other side. What do you think of that? Oh, time. The other one was 24 minutes. This one is 25 minutes. It took me longer on this side. Well, let's try them out.
Yep.
Did it slip at all?
No.
What the heck? I mean, that's good, I guess. Oh, they are tight. Dude, I think these chains are gonna work. We gotta hook something like this up. We already put this on this summer, but we don't have the electrical run, so I don't know. There's nothing under here. There's no wires. So I'm gonna have to like start pulling panels off and find out where all these wires are coming from and hook that up. So I'm thinking the wire's gonna be behind this panel right here. It's pretty much the only way they can get wires back there, I think. There's nothing underneath, so I'm gonna pull that off and hopefully find some wires. All right, I think in here is all of our wires for the lights. Found something. So right here, going out to, I believe it's a marker light out there, but it sure looks like trailer wiring to me. So I'm gonna cut into these and try get my voltmeter on there and see what's happening here. Well, I cannot find a wiring diagram online anywhere, so this is how we figure stuff out. I got the lights turned on to the bus, just the auxiliary lights, so one of these should give me 12 volts. What the heck do these go to? Alright, I figured it out. I think these wires are for those yellow and red lights. So I'm gonna put all this back together and dig into these wires now. So we got these all wrapped up back together. Now, these are all the wires we ran previously for that backup camera. So they gotta be in here. So I'm just gonna start ripping this stuff apart and seeing what I can find. I don't know. I have to just start cutting wires here. I'm gonna start with this green one. It should be the right turn signal, so I'm gonna strip it and then go turn the right signal on and see if it flashes. Yes. Now this one I'm hoping is the running light. So right now everything's off. No power. Good. I'm gonna go turn the lights on, see if I got power. Yes. All right. We got everything we need to do the work. Yeah, right on. I'm gonna get my cable, splice it into these connections here, run it down somewhere. I'm not sure yet where exactly, but I'll get it down there. And then we'll wire up that plug. We'll be good to go, ready to pull the trailer. All right. That's all hooked up. Just gonna find a way to get this cable down there somewhere. Well, cable is gonna have to come out here. So I'm gonna have to cut a little hole in here somewhere. Alrighty. So I want this probably here, eh? Here. Going here. I think. We got the cable coming underneath there, running down. My wire's hooked up. This one doesn't do anything. I gotta make a spot for this ground to hook up. I'm just gonna drill a hole right there. First, I gotta grind it down a little bit. We got a ground. We got everything wired up. Now I'm just gonna tape everything together. Make it look all professional like. This does not look professional. It'll be fine probably. Alright, I'll just tuck that back there. Boom, no worries to know. Now it's time to try it out. So what we're gonna do is take the Sea-Doo, plug it in, and Dibbles here, he's gonna go run the blinkers.
I'm still wondering why we're taking the Sea-Doo out west.
We're not taking...
You're really struggling with that.
Yeah, most people would help.
Oh, yeah. Why is it so hard?
Bring it down here. All right, let's try it out.
You have to let it warm up to start the blinker.
Yes.
Okay. I think it's warm.
Left. Right. Brakes. Oh man, it works. Heck yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, let me show you the bunks.
Yeah.
They're gonna be taller
Yeah.
and like with beds on them.
Yeah, I hope.
You're like, oh wow, great. So we all just like sleep there, huh?
So we just stack on top of each other. Feel bad for the bottom guy.